Hello everyone, this is Wincy from SHLED Technology Company. Today, let me briefly introduce our LED video library for you, XD46. Firstly, as you can see, there are 64 pixels per meter, and each lane represents 1 pixel. The patches is 50.6, which will make the display clearly. Secondly, we can use UV printing to create various patterns, which is the result of our finished printing process. Thirdly, the product covers can be easily replaced. If the customer doesn't like this picture, they can replace it with another one. Fourthly, you can see that each lamp is protected by a lens. There is also 360-degree glue drilling for secondary protection, which provides higher protection performance. Fifth, it has high grade, high brush, and high definition. You can see very clear images and achieve a 3D left eye effect. Sixth, the product has a large illuminant area, which with each lamp is animated light at an angle of over 120 degrees. Seventh, it can be installed in a different shape, suitable for various application scenarios. For example, beautiful lighting, media facade display, and so on. Also suitable for customer pursuing high pixel and high definition 3D light art effects.
That concludes today's introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.